Ever notice your rap songs in Suno AI don't flow quite right? Sometimes the rapper rushes when you want them to breathe. Sometimes they drag when you want them tight. The words are right, the beat is fine, but sometimes the flow just feels off. And it's not about the BPM, it's not about the beat, it's the delivery. But what if I told you the fix is actually in how you type your lyrics? Today, I'm going to show you 2 simple typing tricks that let you control how your Suno rapper rides the beat, where they speed up, and where they breathe. Let's start with the first one, using hyphens. When you connect words with hyphens, no spaces, just dashes between each word. You're telling Suno to run those words together, no gaps. The rapper doesn't pause between them, so the flow gets tighter and faster. Here's what that looks like. Every word chained together with dashes. That tells the rapper to deliver it as one fast, tight run. Let me show you the difference. I'll do a normal version first, then the hyphenated version of the same words. So here's how most people would usually type their lyrics. Well, of course, except the tag format. The pipe symbols do give clearer instructions than when using commas. You can check out my Suno tag stacking video for more on that. For this one, I'm going for a modern boom bap. Let's generate this normal version first.
I hit the street and I never look back. No time for talk, I just cut through that. I keep it raw, I keep it clean. Then I breathe, then I stack. I hit the street and I never look back.
Hear that? Pretty good boom bap. The flow is a little loose, and there are natural little gaps between the words. The rapper takes their time. Now let's hyphenate it. Same words, just chained together with dashes. Let's generate.
I hit the street and I never look back. No time for talk, I just cut through that. I keep it raw, I keep it clean, then I breathe, then I snap. I hit the street and I never look back. I never look back.
Hear the difference? The words run together now, tighter, faster. The rapper rides the beat in one quick flow instead of spacing the words out. That's the hyphen trick. Chain words together, and you push the flow faster. Okay, that's speed. Now let's talk about the opposite. Control over where the rapper breathes. The second trick is punctuation. Where hyphens remove gaps, punctuation adds them. Different punctuation marks tell Suno to pause in different ways. Think of it like telling the rapper exactly where to take a breath. There are 3 main ones to know. A comma gives you a short breath, a little half-beat pause. That comma is a quick catch of breath in the middle of the line. A period gives you a harder, cleaner stop. Each period is a full reset, a more deliberate pause between thoughts. And an ellipsis, those 3 dots, gives you a drawn-out, dragging pause. That creates suspense, a trailing off feel. So comma is a quick breath, period is a firm stop, and the ellipsis is a long drag. Let me show you these in action. This time, I'm using boom bap, a more old-school, laid-back style where you can really hear the pauses. Let's generate.
I'm walking slow, and I take my time. I say my piece, I make it rhyme, and then I wait before the line.
Hear how the rapper breathes at each mark? The comma in the first line gives a quick little catch. Even though I didn't hear a clean stop at the periods, the ellipsis in the last line drags it out, that trailing suspense before the line lands. Just like that, the punctuation is steering exactly where the rapper pauses. So now you've got both levers, hyphens to push the flow faster and tighter, punctuation to control where the rapper breathes. Now, let me be honest with you about something, because I don't want you wasting generations. This trick is powerful, but it's not bulletproof. It often works, but it's not guaranteed. It can glitch and is somewhat less reliable than the other tricks I brought you. So here's what to watch for. If you use too many hyphens, the words can start to smear together and become hard to understand. The rapper's trying to cram too much with no room, and it turns to mush. So don't hyphenate every single line. Use it on the bars where you actually want that fast, tight flow. Second, this only works if Suno is actually rapping. If the model starts singing your lyrics instead, the cadence control falls apart. So make sure your style prompt is locked into rap. Words like rap, dry vocal, and no singing help keep it on track. And third, don't cram too many words into a line for the tempo. If the beat is fast and your line is packed, the rapper will garble it or skip syllables. Give the words room to land. And that's it. 2 simple typing tricks. Hyphens for speed, punctuation for breath. And suddenly, you're not just writing rap lyrics. You're directing how they're delivered. Try it on your next track. Take a bar you want to hit fast and chain it with hyphens. Take a line you want to land hard and drop a period or an ellipsis in it. You'll hear the rapper respond. And hey, if this helped, subscribe. There's a lot more where this came from. I'll see you in the next one.